Kaya kasi sabi dito, tawagan kung sino mo tatawagan.
Ang naman ko.
Perfect sila! Yes!
Ulitin na natin ang goal.
Tapos, yung invitation. Ano sila? Pag invitation, pag nagpat ka daw, first runner-up, ay, may color pairing ka. Teka lang, nasan yung flag niya? Ano yung magbuha? Nandyan. Nandyan. First runner-up. Ang kinuha ng friend, pero ayan. Halika, Arts. Tawagin natin sa stage. Si Fairway Tita. Led by 11 players. Winner, first runner-up with a gross score of 84 points. With a total points earned of 41 points. So that's 5 under. Okay. Congratulations to Fairway Tita. Attorney Misty Mendoza. Congratulations, Attorney.